Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create this simple and easy YouTube thumbnail. Let's get started. First, I go ahead to search for YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Then I go ahead to click on a blank YouTube thumbnail. I select the images that I will be using from the images that I have uploaded previously. When I'm done selecting, I go ahead to arrange my images on my frame. After I'm done arranging my images, I go ahead to add borders around them and change my border colors to brown. After that is done, I proceed to add a text label to all my images. I went ahead to select the font I wanted and the color. I proceeded to aligning these texts with the images. After that is done, I proceeded to add a big header text that I would use for the title of the vlog. I select the type of font I want and make it bold. I proceeded to adjust the size of my text till it looked good and aligned it to the center of the page. Lift it effect for more emphasis. Also added the name of the YouTube channel. Make sure that the title is properly aligned, and yes, that's how I got this simple and beautiful YouTube thumbnail. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. See you in my next one.